Oh god. Hey yo, what is up? It is your boy, and I've got something different today. So today we got two things different. Firstly, two cameras. Camera 1, camera 2. And the main reason for doing two cameras today is that I'm actually going to be doing an art video like I usually do, but we doing something pretty special today as well, and I felt like we just needed two cameras for that, so that's why I busted out the two cameras. But without ado, let me go get the special thing. So, you guys gonna take a guess just from this? There's a lot more inside the actual box, so I'm not gonna... I should probably kind of blur that out. I'm gonna give you guys a couple seconds just to guess what it is, because I'm actually pretty excited to do it as well. Alright, so hold on to those guesses because I'm probably gonna unbox these now. And I should probably took my name off it, that would have been a lot easier to edit. Alright, inside box number 1, we got wrapping. Whatever I'm gonna make today, I'm actually gonna wrap that up. So you guys are probably gonna have to guess what it is just from these little things here. I'm pretty sure this is a good hint to tell you what the size of the thing is I'm gonna make. Box number 2. This is the heaviest one actually. Let's make this one box number 2. Give you guys one more hint to what it could be. It would probably be best to use a box cutter, but I have not got one yet. This is now the perfect example of what not to do when you're trying to open a box. Let's open this. This is hint number 2. Envelopes. Also pretty much the same size as, not really the same size, but pretty much the same size as this one. I'll be making whatever and then putting it in one of these. I think that's a good enough hint, but if you guys haven't got it from now, let me open the last one. Last hint, box number 3. And I should probably start peeling off my addresses on these before I unbox them, but yeah. There is your answer. I am going to be using resin today. So in this box we've got 15 resin, I think liquid colors, resin molds. I'm pretty sure this is the actual resin itself. Next we have got charms or necklaces, which is what I'm going to be making, which is what I'm going to be putting inside the resin so you can actually wear it. We've got pipettes, I think like 100 of them, because we will be using these for different colors. And then lastly we have, this is a big packet, glitter resin. In here is I think 60 ultra glitter resins and an empty box. I actually bought a lot. Wow, damn. Ah! They could have wrapped it better than this. What the? Did they just fold it over? What? Where's the actual like wrapping? I'm confused. How did they wrap this? So that is everything. All that's really going to be of importance. Put these aside. Are these ones. We got here the resin molds along with what's going to go inside the actual resin so you can wear it. The pipette so I can choose what colors I want. Proxy resin colors for me to decide what color I want to do it. The actual resin, which looks a lot smaller than now I'm looking at it. The actual resin glitter, and the charms that are going to go on the resin. There is a bin right there as well. Alright, I'm pretty sure in this, because I actually did some research, we got cups with actual measurements on there, and then we got resin A and then resin B with a ratio of 1:1. So I pour a little bit of this one and a little bit of this one, mix it, and you got your resin. And also gloves. Oh, they gave me gloves as well, and sticks. They gave me sticks too. Let me just. These are what I'm actually going to be pouring the resin into. They're silicone, and it should be kind of fun actually. Can I just? I wasn't bothered to take them out singly. Should I just do like 5? I'm thinking of just doing 5. I can't decide between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe 6. Let's do 6. We're doing 6. Why is this? Why are these all stuck together? That's like someone poured a hot glue gun to these when they packaged them up. Why? Why? What? Why?
A few minutes later.
How am I supposed to get this out? Why would you? How are you supposed? One, 2, 3, and 4. So I don't know how much I should be pouring into these. Alright, so let's start with. Alright, let's start with 20. 20? Yeah, 20. I questioned myself. Let me put A over here, where people can see. There we go. And then let me pour some of B into this one. Or I could just pour it into this one. I'm just gonna pour into this one. So I should make 40. And that's 40. And now I need to mix it and probably wear gloves. It better be large because I already know medium and small don't fit me. Okay. Let me shut my mouth. These kind of do fit me. So we got to mix the solution together to make sure it's well incorporated, otherwise we will have a problem. There is a lot of bubbles, okay, but that is basically a mixture. So I feel like I should have done more. Alright, better to have under than over because this was not cheap. Alright, so we got quite a lot of choices. Let me just reveal. Look at all the colors, bro. I think I have an idea for a color already. I want to do. You can do white too, bro. What? Hey. Oh yeah, okay. I suddenly can't decide. Alright. How about we do one that's clear with a little bit of red in? No. I can do better than that. We could do a black one. No. I don't know. I can't decide. Alright. Let's do one clear with a little bit of color in it. So I'm going to pour one into this one. Pour. Oh, stoop. That's a bit too much, and that's why I should have used the pipette. Hold up. That is why I probably should have used this. Just take a little away. There we go. Boom. That's that. Let's use a little bit of color. Let's use red. Let's start with red. Maybe these aren't meant to be spritzed, so I just take some from here. See them big brain moves. I'm gonna stick that in. And then boom. Let's try to get like a paper or something to put these on. Alright, that is the first one. Let's use one of these. So how do you just, what, do you just stab it through? Does it not sink through? Oh! It's sinking! Wait, no, wait, what? Bro, we have a problem. That is now at the bottom. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, wait, I can save this. Bro, that's at the bottom. Wait, that's a whole resin thing now. That's just it. That's just how it is. Let me try one more. Oh no. Alright, this one I wanna try the same principles. Now I kind of know what I'm doing ish. Bit of resin at the bottom. I'm gonna do it bit by bit and add some color into it. That was a lot of resin. Let me I'm impatient. There we go. Boom. See, I know what I'm doing. Look at that one. Look how sick that one kind of looks. Bro, this is like a gem. So we now have a box of messy resins. I'm gonna put this out somewhere to dry for the next 24 hours and then I will get back to you guys. So yeah, put these on here so you guys can't see it yet. So it has been 3 days. Originally I decided to leave these for 24 hours just to make sure the resin cured and everything, but I decided to leave it for 3 days because I had other stuff to do and I also wanted it to give it extra time just to, you know, just cure and not leave it mushy. We did do a few of them like off camera because I kind of wanted to see how it went, but these, let me move these ones aside. These are how they turned out. They turned out pretty good. Like, a lot of them are kind of greasy because I touched them with my hands without wearing gloves, but I've got wipes to clean them off and everything. And I also did I did quite a few of them off camera as well to kind of perfect my like mixing technique and stuff. Like I got black ones as well, which I did off camera. We've got the original red one we did, which has the thing still stuck in it. These ones, which I'm gonna put them into keychains, and then just a few others which I did. I think my best ones were these two. These two I did off camera. I put the chain on them off camera. It's this one Firstly, because that looks so sick, like fam, yo, that one. And secondly, this one. This one is my best one yet. This one took me the most effort. So I'm gonna choose the best ones in the group. Let me put this somewhere. I'm gonna choose the best ones in the group and then make them and maybe give them away. I'm not too sure yet. Originally I was gonna use these. I think I showed them, I don't remember, it's been days, but I remember I showed originally these, which I was gonna use. But the only thing with these, they are so weak. Like, what? Why? No. But instead of using our normal chains that I was going to use, these crappy ones, I managed to last minute get some normal silver chains which look a lot better. And I'm going to put these on them instead. So moving on from our three that we got here, not three, sorry, our two that we got here, I'm going to use these antiseptic wipes I've got to kind of clean off all the grease and stuff, and also clean off the resin off my fingers. So I'm going to grab one of these. I normally use this one. This is basically just a hook to make sure it gets on properly. And then we're going to feed it through. And then feed the chain through. I'm hella quiet and focused right now. Alright, that's it. It is now done and ready to wear. This one was not bad. I'm gonna put this one here with the other ones. And let's go into another one. Whew. That took me so freaking long. And there we have it. I'm pretty proud of this actually. These are not that bad. I think my favorite one is this one though. I don't know why, but I just like this one a lot more than the others. This one as well, I really like this one as well. This one took me the longest, but I really like this one too. I'm not too sure. Most likely I'm going to do a giveaway because I've got so many, but we will know for later.